island?
Yeah, she can't touch the parquet flooring because there's alligators in the water.
It's lava tag. Do you ever play lava tag?
No, Lil and I always pretended that it was alligators on the green carpet. We had green carpet.
Back up here.
Shake it. Wiggle the board.
Mama, I'm using my claws.
Wow, she's digging in there.
Good job. Whoa! Oh, nice recovery. Good job, Cliffhanger. Uh-oh, tremors.
Oh.